So here's an algorithm tutorial how to make something, how to make a number block one. You see that? First, I'm going to show you. You have to use a 1 meter block. That's simple, right? Now you want to make something. Oh. Also, this has to be white. And you'll see. Look. Now you have a 1. Now what do you have to do? Just do like this. Now, you see that? That's a 1. But you don't want to forget about your hands and arms. But first, something always you can do. I think this will be it. And you have, and look. You see that? Those hands and arms are going to be difficult because it will be so difficult, but not that difficult. With the tool, you can use a step tool. Like you want to create like this. Or like this. Like this way. This is how you make one's arms and legs. You try to see that, make it a bit darker, right? Make it a bit darker and darker, as you see. Oh, one thing. You have to put axles on it to move. But then once you put, you have to make it invisible. It actually makes invisible. You want all of them to be invisible, right? Now you see, that's 1. Now you see how we play? It's just like a 1. But now you have to do a mount. But not like this. I think you do like this. Or maybe we should just do like this. And you need to cut a circle. Wait, I think. So you can cut a circle whatever you want. You can use the brush. So that will make things easier. Now you want is to add something. That way you have yourselves the 1. Also, you need to put a number range to add like this. Or you can just do like this. Yes, you can do it. Because the 1 needs a number range. Also, you want 1 to be glued. The number range 1. Now look. See? That's our way. But the next step. Why would you want to add 1? Because 1 also needs springs. But they would just cut out. But one thing, you just need this, and this. Oh, do you see that? That was something like some technical difficulty happened, right? Did you see that? That was a technical difficulty. But if clash in the game, it's okay. You can do it again. Now you have 1. Now you can customize your 1, your number range 1, whatever you want. But this is how 1 is. This is 1. It's 1. See, that's 1. But this 1. Oh, if you want to add a 1. Oh, you can add that. Whatever you think needs something. A 1 need lines. Now you see, this 1 needs a line. But not this thing. And you can make it white. Now you have a 1 frame. But hold it. You have to glue it. Glue. Now you have your 1 frame ready. That's 1 and 1. Now, this is a 1. If you want 1 to control, you need legs to control, which is both of those legs need to be controlled. So you just use controller, WASD, whatever you want. drag one whatever you want. Wait a second. But one thing you need about. No, you don't need this collision rail because you don't need a line to be collision rail, right? Now that looks good. Oh, and some more things you need. Okay, controller. W. Your legs are moving not well. Here's the way. Just use this as WDSA. Now, oh, you see that? One can move right now. But instead, you want to change it to 10 meters per second, or you can just say 3 meters per second. My speed is 17 kilometers per hour. Oh, what one? Okay. Now, what is 1? 1 is 1. Oh, you see the script menu? The false control is WDSA. You see? What if you want to change the density? It's 1. See? Wait. Do you also know you can put this to adhesions? Well, what is adhesion? What is adhesion? But no, 0. Let's say density equals to 1. Now, when you see, oh yes, when hit by laser, you can say by laser is .0TATR.30 equals, that's right, you passed 5 meters away, 0 meters. Now, velocity is 5 and 0. That's x5, y0. And you will see, if you want, Oh yes. Time to live was infinite seconds. But I don't want, but let's keep it infinite. You don't need updates. The velocity can be anything. And this is Cheska matrix. This something. You see an area can be 1, but sometimes it can be deleted. Oh yes. Anything can be it. A kill is false, but it can be true. Legacy mode, you put it to 125. What does legacy mode does? And we see it's that. Oh yes, I actually sometimes see. Oh, you see the radius? You can put it 1, and that would be, it would be corrupt. It's just become corrupt. So you want to put 0.0625. Then that would be it. I can put it to 0.0625. But you just need to put this. And that's you want. Okay? Now you have the 1 number 8. You have all the things you set. Now you're done. But 1 can't be that true. So let's go to another block. And it will be there tomorrow. So please like the video and subscribe. Now let's play with 1. Okay, you can see. To A. Oh my god. Wow. You see that it's moving. Oh, you can make 1 word or whatever you want. Now, what if we put 1 in some other words? And what if you can multiply ones? We will see that. Let's save. 1. Save. So, you like it 1? So, please like the video and subscribe. If you want to destroy 1 or create 1, you can do it with my tutorials. Right? So, bye.